What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan and welcome to LM Tech HD, and in this video we are going to be building an old but my new PC for 2024. Now I know what some of you guys might be thinking, Sushil, let me explain. You see, this PC was supposed to be built way back in 2016, but one thing led to the other and we are building it here in 2024, hence the title of the video. Now this is going to be a time-lapse build, but before we get into that, let's go over the parts real quick. Alright, let's start off with the CPU. The one we went with is the i7-8700K from Team Blue. It is their 8th gen CPU with codename Coffee Lake. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor and it's gonna be paired with the Z370 Gaming 7 motherboard from Gigabyte. And you know what that means. We've got RGB for days. Keeping the CPU temperature in check is the H115i Pro RGB AIO from Corsair. Now we chose this one because it has a 280mm radiator, which as you can see takes up the entire space inside the case and overall improve the aesthetics of the build. For the memory, we will be using two 8GB sticks of the Corsair Vengeance RGB clocked at 3200MHz, and we went with the white colorway to match the theme of our build. And for our boot drive, we went with the 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD from Samsung, and this is their 960 Pro edition. For the secondary storage, we went with a 2TB hard drive, and this is the WD Black edition from Western Digital. We are also going to throw in a 256GB SATA SSD for backup as well. Now pushing all the pixels is the Galaxy GeForce GTX 1070 Ti, and this is the EX Sniper edition, and of course we went with the white colorway as well. Supplying all the juice to our PC is a 750W 80+ Platinum fully modular power supply from Seasonic. We also got these ARGB extension sleeves for our GPU and 24-pin motherboard connector, as well as these ARGB tube for our AIO, and these are from a company called Cool Moon, I guess. We also got some white 120mm case fans, and these are the Dark Flash Infinity 24 Pro ARGB 3-in-1 pack. Alright, now everything will be going inside the gorgeous NZXT S340 Elite case, and of course we went with the white colorway.
I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. I know you'll follow me. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. mine. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, no. Just wait and see, you'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see, I know you'll follow me. I don't know how to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
Alright guys, if that video was helpful to you, then go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and be sure to follow us on Instagram and X at LMTechHD02. We have more videos coming your way, so stay tuned, but for now, we maxed out. Peace!